If you are running short on closet space like me, then you already know the struggle. So today I'm unboxing and setting up these underbed storage drawers to see if they're actually worth it. Everything's packed in really nice, nothing's bent, nothing's damaged, all the parts are organized. You get the metal frames, wheels, fabric liners. It comes attached with the clear lids and labels. So right away it feels like a real system, and this isn't just some flimsy bin. These are bigger than what I expected, like really big. They hold up to 85 liters each, so you can fit a ton in these. I'm thinking blankets, shoes, seasonal clothes, books, kid stuff, all of it. And the metal frame feels really sturdy too. It's not cheap. This was not complicated to put together. You basically snap the frame together, attach the wheels, drop in the fabric liner, and put the clear lid on top. Zip it up and you're done. No crazy tools, no frustration, no hour-long project. It took maybe 10 minutes. As soon as you get them put together, you can start filling them. They do hold a lot. So far, I have used these for sweaters, shoes, and extra blankets in one. And I still actually had room. The clear lid is awesome because you can see what's inside without having to open it, and the label holder helps keep things organized. Now the best part is that these roll. You can just push them under the bed. No lifting, no dragging, no struggling. And when you need something, just roll it right back out. It's really easy. Why I like these and why I chose these is because of the huge storage space, the wheels, which means easy access and less labor on me. It's got the sturdy metal frame, which helps hold it upright. It's got the clear lids. It's got the label holders. It's a clean, modern look, and it's great for small closets. This is going to help turn wasted space into usable storage. So no more piles, no more overflowing closets, no more digging through bins. Everything is organized and easy to grab. If you are trying to get your house under control like I am, these are a fabulous place to start.